In this video, I'll be showing you how you can chat or send messages to sellers on AliExpress. So if you are looking for a supplier or if you want to do drop shipping but you need to text the seller before you, kind of order, which you guys how you can do this is very, very simple and easy. So let's see, I'm scrolling down here and I see this product here and I want to resell them. Yeah, so I need to contact the seller and then buy bulk from the seller. So I just tap on the product like that and I wait for it to load. Good. And after it's loading, you can see this here at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see the store there. You can see a chat button there and you can see a cart there. So you can add to your cart. But then you see the chat section there. Just tap on the chat section and this is going to open. And now you can choose to send them a hi. And if you have any sort of message, just let them know. Maybe I want 1,000 sets of this product, so can you do that for me, blah blah blah. Yeah, you get it. Yeah, so you see the reply. So that's it on how you build relationships when it comes to drop shipping and all that, or get suppliers from AliExpress. It's very simple and easy on how you can message sellers. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of tutorials on AliExpress. You can check them out. That's it for the video. Peace.